y'all? It's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new, please consider subscribing and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. In today's video, I'll be showing y'all how I moisturize and refresh my afro. I've received quite a few questions on previous videos and I be answering, but I can show you much better than I can tell you. That's why I started this channel. I'm here to serve the people. The process is pretty simple. It doesn't require a lot, so let's hop right on in. She actually don't look that bad to begin with, but she a little dry to the touch. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's giving Brillo pad. The products that I'm gonna be using are some coconut oil and leave-in. I'm using the Rosanna Naturals Shea Butter and Hibiscus leave-in conditioner. I've talked about Rosanna Naturals in another video. She's black on, my hair is a fan, and they smell good. Go get you some. And the star of the show is my Q-Redo. This is what I'm gonna be using to add moisture and re-stretch my afro. My Q-Redo has stood the test of time. She's at the point now where I gotta add vinegar to, you know, get her going again because she don't be blowing out the way I need her to blow out. But you know, she's still ticking. She's still ticking for the most part, and she still gets the job done. So let's get started. Alright y'all, so I'm going to start by misting my hair with water, primarily to make it easier to section my hair off, but the water also adds moisture. My hair is pretty dry at this point, so I wouldn't dare try to separate and section it off without using water to soften it first. After sectioning, I simply take the Q-Redo to steam the section. The burst of steam opens the hair cuticles and allows any products I add afterwards to more deeply penetrate my hair strands. As a low porosity natural, using heat to open up the hair cuticles is very important to achieve long-lasting moisture. After steaming, I apply my products. I'm applying the leave-in first, then I apply the coconut oil on top to seal in the moisture. That's it, very simple. Now I'm going to repeat this process on the remainder of my head. Again, I steam the section. Apply my leave-in. Apply the oil. Then twist up the section. After steaming and applying my products, my hair is product damp, so I allow my hair to air dry for about 30 minutes before taking down the twist and picking out my afro. This helps to control some of the shrinkage I'll experience as my hair dries down completely.
If this world were mine, I would place at your feet all that I own. You've been so good to me.
So I'll take my wide tooth comb to comb out the twist and thoroughly detangle the section. Then I use my fingers to fluff it out and shape my fro. I'm taking my hair pick to pick out my roots. And to top everything off, I'm taking this olive oil nourishing sheen spray to add some shine. So these are my results. I hope y'all enjoyed this video on how I moisturize and refresh my afro. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.